In this video, we are going to see what runtime errors are. Errors that occur while executing the program, running the program. These programs have got no syntax errors. When you compile the program after writing it, then it will not show any error. But when you run the program, then you will get error. You will get error in the way that it might hang, or it might say that the program cannot be executed. Why this happens? Because it might have gone into an infinite loop. It might have by mistake done division by 0, or rather it is not done by mistake. Due to your programming error, the division by 0 scenario has occurred, or wrong value has been entered by user. Suppose you have asked the user to enter 2 numbers, okay, but the user has by mistake entered an alphabet. Instead of entering 3, it has entered S, say. Due to that error, now the computer program will run erratically, because using 3 it was doing some mathematical calculations which cannot be done using a alphabet. So here we have seen what runtime errors are and how they can create difficulty for us. In the next video, we are going to learn how we can optimize our program so that it runs more efficiently.